Right, so we're looking at circles, and we're really looking at the equation of circles and what that tells us. So when they're written in standard or in graph form or in center form, then they're going to be written like this or like this. And so again, notice here we don't have any numbers with these x and y, so our center of our circle is actually 0, 0, because there's zero numbers with that. And here we have numbers in parentheses, and we talked about in the last lesson that we always, when we see this squared, we can think of those as opposites. So this center would be hk, and then our radius is this square root of this number. So when I'm looking at this equation, no number with the x, so the x of my radius is 0, and then we do the opposite of this is 3, so the center, not radius, is at 0, 3. And then my radius would be the square root of 49, which is 7. So we'd start at our center, 0, 3, and we'd go 7 in all directions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this direction, and up, because your radius is the same all the way around. And then you can kind of draw your circle. It's not perfect, but that's what the equation is telling us. So again, when we're looking at these, it looks more like a squircle. When you're looking at these on the cards, you're looking at that equation to find the center and the radius, and then match the picture with the graph with the description with the equation. So here my center would be 14, 6, and my radius would be square root of 25, which is 5. So we do 14, 6, and then 5 in each direction. And I'm not going to graph that. So again, you should be able to find your center. Center is 6, 0. And my radius would be square root of 4, which equals 2. So hopefully you can look at an equation, find the center and the radius, and that should help you with how it would graph. So we do 6, 0. And we'd go up 2 in each direction. And then you could see that that would be the circle. All right. And that's it. That's the main, what we get from our equations.